Today, we will introduce basic Japanese phrases related to expressing gratitude. These phrases are essential for daily conversations and can be used in various situations. The first phrase is arigato. Arigato is a casual expression of gratitude. It is typically used with close friends, family, or in informal settings. For example, when a friend helps you, you say, arigato. When you receive a small gift from a family member, you say, arigato. Next is arigato gozaimasu. Arigato gozaimasu is a more formal and polite way to say thank you. It is used with people you are not close to, superiors, or informal settings. For example, when someone offers you their seat on the train, you say, arigato gozaimasu. When you receive a small gift from someone you are not close to, you say, arigato gozaimasu. When a store clerk assists you, you say, arigato gozaimasu. When someone goes out of their way to help you, you say, arigato gozaimasu. Next is domo arigato. Domo arigato is a slightly stronger way to say thank you. It is primarily used with close friends or family. For example, when a friend does you a big favor, you say, domo arigato. When a family member gives you a thoughtful gift, you say, domo arigato. Next is hontou ni arigato gozaimasu. Hontou ni arigato gozaimasu is used to express deep gratitude. It is typically used in formal situations or when you receive significant help. For example, when someone helps you in a difficult situation, you say, hontou ni arigato gozaimasu. After receiving exceptional service, you say, hontou ni arigato gozaimasu. When someone assists you greatly at work, you say, hontou ni arigato gozaimasu. Next is sumimasen. Sumimasen can be used to express gratitude as well as an apology. It is often used when you feel you have inconvenienced someone. Adding domo can further emphasize your gratitude in informal conversations. For example, when someone gives you directions, you say, sumimasen arigato gozaimasu. When someone holds the door open for you, you say, sumimasen arigato gozaimasu. When you repeatedly ask questions, you say, domo sumimasen. If someone apologizes to you, you reply with, ochi ni nasarazu ni. When someone thanks you, you say, do itashimashite. How did you find today's Japanese phrases? Expressing gratitude is an important part of communication, so be sure to practice these phrases. Next time, we'll introduce even more useful expressions.